Evening, welcome. Tonight I'm going to be having a little pop at this Ruko and see if we can't get it to give up the goods. I've had this lock for quite a while. It's one of two halves. I rescued it from a bank. I was doing a job in a bank and this was about to get thrown away, so I rescued it. I don't have a key for it, but I do have the bitting. If you can see that, 64246, so we have a nice V. Mr. Ruko's decided to put a nice high cut pin at the back behind a low cut pin. So I've not really tried picking this lock. I've had it a few years. I've had a little bash at it here and there, 10 minutes here, 10 minutes there, but I've not really had a serious attempt at it, other than for the past couple of weeks where I have had no end of serious attempts and I've had absolutely no joy from it whatsoever. I didn't have my camera set up earlier. I literally picked it up, decided to have a little fiddle about with it, and boom, got an open. First and only one ever. So locked it back up and got my camera set up. Usually I film on my phone. I'm off work for a couple of weeks at the moment, so I've got my tripod at home. So I've got my camera set up on my tripod, so I'm trying to work around my camera. There's been a few people that's mentioned about how difficult this is on videos. Never really sort of got a grasp of it until now, and yes, it's very difficult trying to pick a lock around your camera. So, right, let's get on with it then. I've got the wide tension tool. As you can see, the keyhole is massive, basically, there's no other word for it. So, gigantic, I suppose, we could use that one as well. Anyways, in with the wrench, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rake it to start with. I've got the old bow guitar out there, and then I'm going to have a go with a medium hook. If I need any extra reach to reach the eye pin at the back that's behind the low pin in the middle, then I'm going to go for this thing. I don't actually know what this profile is called. If anybody knows and anybody wants to inform me, I'd be very, very thankful. So let's have a go. I'm rapidly running out of light here, so I think I best get a wriggle on. Right, in with the wrench, and let's have a jab about inside. I'm pretty sure there's no security pins in here. I don't have such a thing as a false set. Like I say, I've only ever picked it once, but what I do get is I get some movement on the core, very slight movement, but I get a little bit of movement on the core, which indicates to me when it's sort of part way there. Oh, there we go. Let me a little bit of movement on the core. So I'll take out my bow guitar, get my hook, and let's see what we can do with this. Now really, I suppose the fact that there's no security pins in it could rake it fully, or somebody with a little bit better ability and skill than me could probably rake it fully. You know what, they don't seem too bad then. I've had this time and time again where I'm just, all the pins seem set, but it just does not want to give it up. And then, like I said earlier, for some reason, just out of the blue, she decided to give up the goods, which was very nice of her. You can hear a little bit of clicking here and there. I think most of the pins are set. They just need a little bit of persuasion here and there. of course, with them not being security pins, to me, picking standard pins is probably more difficult than picking a spool. I'm sure you'll all understand why, because you get a lot more feedback off a spool. I've just got the big deep thing up about there. Let's have a go with that. I have to admit as well, when this lock opened earlier, the neighbours must have thought I was crackers, because I had a little bit of a run around and a little bit of a dance and a jig, as you do when you get something like that, when you've been trying for such a long time. I am still here, I've just gone a little bit quiet. I don't know why being quiet would make me any better at picking locks. I don't really think it does. It's just a concentration thing. I think I might be overset on one of these pins, you know, because everything seems to be just where it needs to be. It's like I said, I've had time and time again. I've tried various different things, which I'm still in the process of. Like I say, I wasn't expecting it to open earlier, so I don't really recall how I managed to do it. All I know is that I did manage to do it, and now I can't get it open again. I know it's so old, this lock. There's quite a bit of play in it, which I don't think helps us any. I know a quest for picking. Sometimes you have to put a little bit of backwards turn on the tension, and you go so far that you basically opening the pins back up for the driver pins to come back down onto the key pins. Feeling pin 3 might need to go up a little bit. Because the rest of them seem to be frozen. I've got very little tension on this at the minute, very little tension. But still nothing wants to move. No, nothing. That makes my tension given a little bit of a level sometimes. Sometimes I've had this help in the past. I've also had it not help. So we're coming up to a point now where I'm going to pretty much call it a day on this one, I think, and start again. Oh man, this is so annoying. I'll drop something there. Something else that we've got a little click on, and drop-in pin. I think we did manage to get it set back again. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! We have an open. We have an open. Belting. Absolutely belting. Sorry for a little bit of excitement there, but like I say, I've been batting away at this lock for quite a while. Did want to take it apart. I've took these things off in anticipation. I've had to break them off. I went through there. I don't know if anybody knows of any way to take these off without breaking them. Right, I don't want to lose this video. I really don't want to lose this video. I'm going to leave my lock there. I'm going to put my light on. See if I can get any more light. I would like to take it apart. I know this is going to be a really long video, but still, when it happens, it happens. I weren't quite expecting that, so I'm not really well organised. Let's get the picks out of the way. I'll grab a follower up here. I do have the right size follower out, that's one good thing. Yeah, like I said, I don't have a key, so I'm going to have to get this set somewhere like, right, let me see if I can get this clip off the back. Let me see if I can get this clip off the back. I don't have a circlip remover, so I'm doing it old school. Doing it old school. Do you know what? I'm not far off that. I think that might come off if I prise it a little bit. Maybe not. Let's see if we can prise it just that bit more. I'm sorry this is going to be a long video, peeps, but and I don't know if I'm going to get that clip back on once I've got it off. That's it, she's off. She's off. I'm bent and damaged, but still, I'm not bothered about that. That at the moment is the least of our concerns. Oh, sugar. Right, that's come out. So actually, I probably could have taken that disc off without destroying that. Anyways, again, that's by the by. Let's try not to drop this core out. Oh, there we go. There we are. Right, so Nearly a disaster. Nearly a disaster. But there we go. Alrighty. Right, don't be jealous of my super expensive pinning tray, young lot. Just see if I can zoom out a bit and try and keep all of this in focus. Right, there we go. Let's put that up there for the time being. And let's see what we've got in here. Oily pins is what we've got. Let's try the other way and see if I can get a little probe in and push him on. There's one. So, 3. 4. Oh, sorry, that was 5. A bit of a brain fart there, sorry people. 5. And 4. Let's set the core aside. Tweezers. Pick one of these up at random. Box standard pin. So yeah, all of the key pins are all standard. Right. Yeah, all the key pins are standard. It might be an old lock. It might be a little bit battered, but it does say Ruko on it, which means I have now opened a Ruko lock. Right, let me zoom out again a little bit. I'm losing a lot of this. I'm trying to do it quickly as well because the time's not the time, the light here, well the time of the length of the video has been a long one. So that is pin 1. Oh, actually that's not a standard pin. Pin 2. No, none of these are standard up to now. Pin 3. That's a small little fella. Pin 4. And pin 5. Yes, I do know. I'm about to sort it now. At least we got one of them right though, eh? We got the middle one right. There we go, that's how they live. Not that it makes any difference, because like I said, I don't have a key. So, that is pin 1. And they're all the same. They all have, let me find the background, and a long pin. You can see it, they're all like T-pins. which has absolutely amazed me. Because I've never got nothing like a faucet or anything. Anyways, that's it, peeps. We're at 20 minutes already on the video, so that's that. I'm absolutely buzzing that I've got that open, so thank you very much for watching. Please pop by again. Everybody, as usual, stay safe, stay healthy, and I shall see you the next time. Cheers, guys. Bye.